In this video, we'll be showing you how to integrate SuiteDash with WordPress to streamline your business operations. Whether you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur looking to take your workflow to the next level, SuiteDash can help you manage everything from client relationships to project management. But is it the best tool for the job? Stick around to find out, because I'm also going to share a better option at the end of this video. Now, let's dive right into how to get started with this integration. The first thing you'll need is to have both SuiteDash and WordPress set up and ready to go. If you're new to either platform, you'll want to make sure you have the correct plans that allow integrations. SuiteDash has a solid set of features, but if you're looking for smooth WordPress integration, it's crucial to have a version that supports this right out of the box. Once you've logged into SuiteDash and WordPress, you're good to go. Next, you'll want to install the SuiteDash WordPress plugin. It's available in the WordPress plugin directory, but it might take a few extra steps to find it. Simply search for SuiteDash, install the plugin, and activate it. From there, SuiteDash will prompt you to link your SuiteDash account to WordPress. Now that you've linked the two, you'll notice that SuiteDash allows you to embed your SuiteDash forms directly into your WordPress pages. This can save you tons of time because you no longer need to create forms separately in both systems. Instead, create them once in SuiteDash and then easily drop them into your site. This is a real game changer if you're using WordPress to collect client data or manage projects. Next, the SuiteDash integration allows for user management and CRM features to work seamlessly between the two platforms. If you're using SuiteDash for CRM, your contacts and leads from WordPress will be automatically synced, and any updates made on either end will reflect in real time. This eliminates the risk of miscommunication or losing leads, which is crucial for streamlining your business processes. The fourth thing you need to know is about the project management aspect. When you integrate SuiteDash with WordPress, you can automate tasks like invoicing, reminders, and follow-ups directly from your WordPress site. This helps you stay organized without manually switching between platforms. SuiteDash does a good job of allowing you to create workflows that keep your clients informed, but be aware that some of the project management features could be more robust. It's worth exploring what's available before fully committing to SuiteDash for your project management needs. Lastly, SuiteDash provides excellent client portals. Once you've completed the integration, your clients can securely access documents, pay invoices, and communicate with you directly via the portal. This not only saves time for you, but offers a polished, professional experience for your clients. However, be aware that the platform's user interface can feel a bit clunky, especially if you're not familiar with using a tool like this. You may need to invest time in learning the ins and outs to make the most of it. So, now that you know how to integrate SuiteDash with WordPress, here's the part you've been waiting for. Is it really the best option for streamlining your business? Well, SuiteDash is certainly powerful, but it's not for everyone. There are some other options that might suit your needs even better, especially if you're looking for a more intuitive, user-friendly experience with less setup involved. In fact, I've found a competitor that offers all the same features and more for a much smoother experience. They even have a free trial that I'm offering exclusively to you through the link in the description. This alternative is faster, easier to set up, and more intuitive when it comes to managing client relationships and projects. To wrap up, SuiteDash is a great option if you want an all-in-one business solution, but it's not the only choice out there. If you're looking for a better alternative with more streamlined processes, I've included a link to a competitor in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that link for your exclusive offer.